Now I will explain to you what is the principle of Havan is. See, the principle of Havan comes from the basic quality of the fire. The fire is the one that consumes everything. So for the consumption of everything that is bad in us, or defective in us, or cold within us, or that is making us lethargic, making us anti-God, or any such things which we do not want to have in Sahaja Yoga, is to be consumed by fire. Now for that we have to use something to extract it. And to extract it, what we do is to take the name of the goddess. So she, her in 1,000 names, the 1,000 powers within us are arisen. And by every power you try to cleanse one of the nadis that you have. Actually we have 16,000 nadis within us, only on the Vishuddhi Chakra. But the main 1,000 nadis which are of the Sahasrara, if they are cleared out, then all the nadis can be cleared out. So what we are doing, we are taking the name of the goddess by which we are expressing, or we are trying to innovate or awaken a particular power of the goddess, by which we try to use the what you call the consummation power of the fire. So the power that is the mother's power liberates and cleanses one of the Sahasrara, one of the, we can say, the nadis of Sahasrara. And whatever is hanging on to it is then thrown into the fire. Swaha means consumed. Swaha. Now this is the power of the fire. Now the power of the fire, as you know, is that if you put gold, it doesn't burn gold. All the rest is burnt out and gold comes out as gold. So whatever is gold in you, means whatever is genuine in you remains, and whatever is artificial, whatever is wrong, whatever is anti-God, and whatever is depressant, everything is consumed by fire. So first, because it is in my presence, in my name, the fire itself is an enlightened fire. It cannot be done with any other fire, it has to be an enlightened fire. And it only gets enlightened if there are Brahmins, means the ones who are realized souls. Now there are so many realized souls sitting, so the fire, poor thing, has to be enlightened. It has to do the job. At this time the job is of a higher level, that it consumes all that is wrong in the eyes of God and brings out all that is good in the eyes of God. Or say the gold that is spiritual shines out when all that is non-spiritual drops out or burns out. So this is the thing is, and this is one of the elements which we have to use. As we use now, just now we are using, as you know, there are three elements obviously we are using. Is the Mother Earth, the sky, the ether, firmament, and the third is the fire we are using. Also we are using water element in a way, because there is, if you see near you, is placed the Kundalini, is this Kalasha. If you see the Aquarius, is the symbol, Aquarius is the symbol of the Kundalini, is the fire element, the water element. So this water element is placed next to the fire, and when the water element is heated up with this enlightened fire, then it becomes a vapors, and the attention becomes vapors, and you reach the mountains of Himalayas. That is the Sahasrara. Alright. So let us have now, this is all poetry of course. What we should do is to now first of all get some flowers and put them in the fire. Now this all you are doing to me, I am the fire, alright? So now you are worshipping me as fire. Now, sit closer to the thing. First of all, sit closer. Now, take now.
Your mantra is...
No. First you say what I have said in French. Little bit.
Take the roving mic. Roving mic.
Just a minute. One minute.
Sri Mataji a expliqué le principe du Havan. Il s'agit de brûler toutes les impuretés en nous, de même que le feu brûle tout ce qui n'est pas or, et l'or reste finalement dans sa pureté. De même, le feu qui est illuminé par la présence de Sri Mataji, par la présence des brahmines que nous sommes, ce feu brûle en nous toutes nos impuretés. Et c'est le sens de la cérémonie que nous allons maintenant commencer, que tout ce qui en nous va contre Dieu, tout ce qui en nous va contre le soi, tout ceci doit être brûlé par ce feu qui a cette propriété spéciale. Pour extraire la négativité, nous prenons un nom de la déesse et nous allons dire les 1000 noms de la déesse.
Say about the Lalita first. Lalita is what? Lalita is the beautiful mother. Lalita is a fine arts. If you call it fine arts, you see the fine art of pleasing the mother. Lalita is the mother who is the goddess of fine art, divine art. Fine, divine, fine. Not sophisticated, fine. You see, you have one commercial, another is fine art. This is fine art.
Nous allons dire le Lalita Sahasranama. Le Lalita est un nom de la déesse qui en exprime la beauté, la finesse esthétique.
But finesse is all right. But my name is also Lalita. I've been given that name according to my Rashi.
Selon son signe astrologique, Sri Mataji est appelée Lalita.
My name is also Lalita, apart from the other one. तुम्ही मोदी तुम्ही